Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamala Pullen looks at diet during perimenopause and menopause diet.
Perimenopause and menopause can bring a whirlwind of symptoms, from hot flashes to mood swings. Managing them effectively takes a four-tier approach. First, balance your blood sugar. High sugar spikes trigger your pancreas to release more insulin, which can actually make symptoms worse.
When we were babies and when we were teenagers, yes, maybe cornmeal porridge would have been a thing. But now we're eating these refined carbohydrates, this cornmeal that cooks. It's not like the old-fashioned corn. Remember, our grandmothers used to grate that corn and make that healthy corn porridge. That's not what it is. It's these overly processed foods that we're now eating. The white rice, the bread, the crackers, all of these refined carbohydrates, and then which of course as soon as you eat it, your body breaks it down and turns it into sugar.
So women should focus on nutrient-dense foods such as lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables that can help stabilize hormones and energy.
So I want you to look at the back of the label of your avocado oil, your olive oil, and your coconut oil. See the difference. Two major types of fat, saturated and unsaturated. You want to go more for the unsaturated fats. That's going to be more healthful. Saturated is going to help to increase especially your bad cholesterol. That's going to be a problem. So brown rice, or I would prefer quinoa. If you can get access to quinoa, or if you really have to do rice, then brown rice. Up for a little piece of pumpkin, a finger of banana, a little piece of sweet potato, not too much of the yam because that, can be very starchy as well.
Then what's your fruit choices? Not all fruits are ideal during this phase.
Especially if your doctor told you that you're pre-diabetic, you want to stay away from the sweet fruits. So the ripe banana and the pineapple and the sweet watermelon is not going to be your best friend. You want to eat fruits that are not so high in sugar, because even though it's fruits, I've walked into hospital rooms and patients are diabetic, but their families are bringing them all this pineapple and mangoes because it's fruit, so it's healthy. Yes, it's fruit, but if you have a problem, that is going to give you a sugar rush, a sugar spike. Your insulin level is going to increase. You're going to be developing insulin sensitivity because it's just pouring out, abusing too much insulin because of the diet that we're eating. And you're going to end up in a host of problems.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen, wishing you good health.